Okay, hello everyone. I thought I'd go through the two puzzle piece assignments in the bottom green folder here today. Okay, this is day 18 again. This is what our folder today looked like. Let's go in the bottom one. I think we did this vocabulary in the Zoom meeting. Hopefully that you got it. I'll tell you what, if you didn't get it, let's do it right now real quick. Okay, I'm going to open up a new window here and let's look at this. Again, this is today's folder. All right, I'm going to open up the copy of the slideshow in the top folder. So we can look at it and use it. It's got some answers right there for us. And I'm going to open up in the bottom green folder. I'm also going to open up the copy of that video slideshow. I bet you that has some answers for us too. And I'm hoping that you already watched it. All right. Let's go back to our assignment. Vocabulary. 3 words. First word is function. All right. This is the top green folder. We scroll down a bit. Today's essential question. There it is, function. Takes an input number X and converts it to a unique output number. Okay. Find which definition that is. Next word is linear. And this is the top green folder. Linear, linear. There's the word linear. It's not quite it, though. How about that? Straight line graph, constant slope. Equation in the form y equals mx plus b. Back to our assignment. Linear. Find which one of these it is, okay? The last one is slope. And this is the top green folder, the PDF document. Here's slope. It's a measure of steepness. Okay? Find that definition right there. All right, next. 3 statements about linear functions. Okay, we just saw that. I'm going to go back. It was right here. 3 things about linear. Its graph is a straight line. Has a constant slope. Its equation can be written as y equals mx plus b. Those 3 things right there. All right, that's the answer to this question. Find those 3 things. Okay, next. What 3 statements below describe slope? Okay, well, slope is the next right here. It's a measure of steepness. It's a rate of change. And it's rise over run. Those 3 things. Go back to the question. Find those 3 things and put it in there. Okay, last one. True or false? A vertical line has a slope of 0. All right, guys, this is the bottom green folder. This is the PowerPoint from the slideshow or from the video. It's a PDF document now. I'm going to scroll down here. There's something about vertical lines in here. That's not it. Vertical, not quite. But there's a vertical line. It says the slope is undefined. It says the slope is undefined for a vertical line. What's this say? Ooh, there's a slope of 0. But that's a horizontal line. Slope of 0 for a horizontal line. Okay, you decide. A vertical line has a slope of 0. Is that true or false? All right. All right, guys, let's take a look at the other puzzle piece. It's the exit ticket right here, okay? All right, question 1. Here's a straight line. Y equals negative 2x plus 3. What's the slope? What's the y-intercept? Okay, let's look back at our slideshow here. I think we talked about y equals mx plus b, right here. As an equation, can be written like this if it's a straight line. Y equals mx plus b. The m is the slope. It's the number in front of the variable x when it's written like this. It has to be written like this, with the y on one side and everything else on the other side of the equal sign. The constant term that has no variable, there's no x or y by this number, that's the y-intercept. That's where it crosses the y-axis. Okay? So if you look at this, the m, the slope, is negative 2 right there. And the y-intercept is 3, positive 3. So find that answer. Slope negative 2, y-intercept positive 3. So that's 0, 3 right there, okay? Next. What's the equation of this line? Well, its slope, it looks like it goes up 2 and over 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 2 over 4, it's positive. So 2 over 4 is a half. This is a slope of 1/2. Think of it like up 1 over 2 right there. And it goes through the y-axis at negative 2. The y-intercept is negative 2. So find a positive slope of a half, and it goes through negative 2. Okay? All right, next one. Again, it goes through right here. And how about right here? So count up 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So up 3 over 4. 3 over 4, that's positive. All right, 3 over 4, that's 0.75. Goes through at positive 2. The y-intercept is plus 2. Plus 2 is right there. All right. Hopefully you can get that. All right, this has a very negative slope. All right, it's down 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. So 4 over 1, that's negative 4. This slope is negative 4. And it goes through the y-intercept, the y-axis at 2. Negative 4, slope, 2 is the y-intercept. All right, this is a little bit difficult, as we have to get the y by itself. This is the hardest problem. All right, in fact, you guys, I might have to do this one for you underneath the document cam. All right, try this one as best you can, you guys. Or you have to get the y by itself. Add 3 to both sides. So positive 3 is going to end up being the number, positive 3. And then you have to divide everything by 2. So 3 over 2 is going to be 1.5, positive. All right, half, it looks like it's this one right there. All right, we got to hurry up, okay, you guys? The slope is, start right here. Go down 1, 2, 3, 4. And over 1, 2, 3. So 4 on top, 3 on the bottom. It's a negative slope. 4 on top, 3 on the bottom, negative slope, and it goes through at negative 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that one right there. All right, straight line, straight across, guys. Y always equals 4. Y always equals 4 right there. Doesn't matter what x is. Y always equals 4. Y always equals 4. All right, here, x, it's right here. X always equals negative 1, 2, 3. X is always negative 3. X is always negative 3. All right. The slope of this line, start at this point here, goes up 1, 2, 3 over 1. 3 over 1, I think. So it's a slope of 3 and goes through at negative 5. Slope of 3 goes through at negative 5. All right, last one. All right, this slope is negative. It's down 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's negative 3 over 5. All right, that's negative 0.6, 3 over 5. And they're saying it goes through about 2.6. You see that? 2.6, that makes sense. 1, 2 is right about 2.6. All right, now that makes sense to me. All right, guys, that's it. I have to stop the video because I've run too long here. If you need some help, go ahead and email me. Thank you.